I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping materials and marking where the snap will sit. Choose the correct snap size and test it on scrap fabric so you know how it behaves. This prevents distortion. Once marked, make a small hole sized to your fabric. Thin fabrics need about 1.5 mm, heavier ones 3 mm. Use a sharp punch or awl and support with a scrap backing to avoid stretching. Make sure the hole is clean so the post seats squarely when you set the snap. You now assemble the snap components and set them carefully. Place the post through the hole from the wrong side and position the cap on the right side. This orientation gives a smooth face to the garment. Once aligned, seat the cap on the anvil and place the post under the setter or driver. Make sure everything is centered. Misalignment causes wobbly snaps. Then deliver 1 to 3 firm strikes with a hammer or press until the cap crimp holds the post tight and the pieces lock together. You finish by testing the snap repeatedly to confirm reliable engagement. If it feels loose, first check alignment and try reseating with the setter. Sometimes one more firm strike fixes it. If the post is bent, gently nudge it with flat pliers or cut and replace the damaged post to avoid failure. For fabric that tears or stretches, reinforce the area with interfacing or a small washer behind the post. If snapping still fails, swap in a larger snap to distribute force and prevent repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.